Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to repeat words in Google Sheet, but you can key in how many repeats you want to on this Google Sheet. Here, the result example. For example, I want to repeat words of, for example, ABC, and then I want to make it repeated until 20. For example, see, this is 20, or I will repeat it on three numbers. Here I have three ABC on my result. So how to doing that? First, you have to input the words you want to repeat. For example, I want to repeat false, and then I want to repeat it. For example, for 20 times. I mean maybe 7 times. Now what you have to do is equal sequence. You put sequence on the formula. Input the 7 as a row, and then comma, and then column you put 1, and then you put 1 for start, and then the step is 0. If you hit the enter, it will be 1 7 times. Okay, this is one number 7 times. And the key is you put array formula, and then substitute, and then text the search, of course, the sequence, and then search for 1, and oops, oh my god, I repeat, array formula, substitute, and then find search for 1, and then replace with the false, and then hit the enter. See, I have 7 false repeated on my result. And then for example, I want to make it 15. Now 15 false repeated. That's it with this simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.